Hello, I would like to invite you to a new Mediterranean restaurant located in Billings, Montana called Greek Eats. As Americans become more health conscious, they are continuously looking for healthier meal alternatives compared to the typical fast food restaurant, yet at an affordable price. There are plenty of restaurants that offer sandwiches, soups, and salads, yet are prepared with frozen processed ingredients and do not provide the consumer with valuable daily nutrients to maintain a healthy, balanced diet. Greek Eats is a locally owned restaurant providing a full array of Mediterranean cuisine that offers all-natural, locally farmed produce, free-range chicken, and grass-fed beef. Have you heard someone say you can't put a price on your health? Besides exercise, 90% of maintaining a healthy lifestyle comes from what you eat. In recent studies, scientists have found that the Mediterranean diet is one of the healthiest diets in the world. Restaurants in the Billings area consist of similar forms of Mediterranean food selections like pitas and gyros, but are very limited on the quality of steak, chicken, and beef options they provide. Greek Eats will be the first Billings establishment to introduce a specific form of prepared meat called shawarma. This dish is gaining popularity in Western cultures because of its wide assortments of healthy dishes it provides. Using traditional Greek cooking methods, we roast our meat for several hours on a vertical rotisserie, allowing most of the natural fat to disintegrate before eating. By doing so, this will decrease wait times and customers will enjoy healthier local meat selections that contain little to no fat and are rich in flavor. Our simple menu concept contains 3 forms of local shawarma and gyro meat: steak, chicken, and beef. We will provide meal options such as salads, gyros, and meat combination plates that come with a side salad, yellow or brown rice, and a pita. Our gyros will be presented at a competitive price range from $6 to $8.50, with our meat combination plates ranging from $9.50 to $14 depending on the meats you choose. These options are designed for any individual on a low budget and will cater healthy, well-rounded meals suitable for any event. Greek Eats will also provide grab-and-go meals without the high-fat calorie content for the healthy conscious individual looking for a quick bite or a family looking for a quick healthy dinner option. We look forward to serving you a rich tasting experience with a long-lasting quality and satisfaction.